I can't find it anywhere.
Don't worry, we'll find it.
There it is!
Henry, Lily, are you ready for our family picnic?
Almost, Mom. I just need my backpack. I packed the sandwiches. We're ready.
Great! Let's have a fun family day.
Wait, where is my blue backpack?
Did you leave it in your room?
No, Dad. I checked my room. Maybe it's near the front door. Not here. What did you put inside it? My water bottle, hat, notebook, and camera. You really need that backpack.
Let's think carefully. Where did you last use it?
I had it at the playground yesterday.
Then maybe we should check there.
Yes! Let's go!
Everyone stay together.
I really hope I find it. Don't worry, Henry. We'll find it together.
That's right, we are a team.
Look! There's the playground. Check the bench first. Nothing here.
Let's check near the swings.
No backpack! Maybe someone moved it.
Henry, don't panic.
I'm trying, Mom, but my camera is inside.
Did you take any pictures yesterday?
Yes, I photographed the pond. Maybe you carried your backpack there. You're right. Let's check the pond.
Stay on the walking path, children.
I can see the pond. Look around the benches.
I'll check the picnic tables.
Dad, is that my backpack?
No, that's a green bag.
Keep looking, Henry. Okay, I won't give up.
Henry, what color was your backpack again?
Blue with a yellow star. A yellow star? That's easy to recognize.
Let's ask someone nearby.
Excuse me, did you see a blue backpack? It has a yellow star on it. We lost it yesterday.
Have you seen anything like that? I saw a blue backpack near the playground yesterday.
Really? Where?
Near the little bridge.
Thank you very much.
The little bridge! That's close to the pond. Come on, let's go!
Walk carefully.
And stay where I can see you.
Huh? I don't see anything. Look under the bridge. It's too dark.
I'll look with you. Wait! I see something blue.
My backpack?
It looks like it.
Hurry, Dad! Yes! That's my backpack!
Wonderful!
We found it! I'm so happy! Yay! But it's wet and muddy.
That's okay. At least we found it.
Open it carefully.
I hope everything is still inside. My notebook is wet. Oh no! And my camera is missing.
Missing? Check every pocket.
It's not here.
Stay calm, Henry.
My camera was my favorite thing. We'll look for it too.
Kids, I have a surprise for everyone.
What is it, Dad? Is it another adventure?
We are going on a family adventure this weekend.
Really? Where are we going?
We are visiting the Science Museum.
Mom, look at that giant rocket.
Wow, it is almost as tall as our house.
House. Can we see it first, Dad?
That rocket was designed to travel into space.
Do people really live in space?
Scientists are working hard to make space travel safer.
Dad, I think I pressed the wrong button.
Don't worry, just take your hands off the controls.
Henry, you almost sent us to Mars.
It's okay to make mistakes, but we must follow safety rules.
I understand, Mom. I will be more careful.
Learning also means learning from mistakes.
Mom, the floor is moving.
Stay calm, Lily. It is only a safe earthquake simulation.
Whoa, it feels real.
Stay low, protect your head, and stay together.
Okay, Dad. I am right beside you. I feel much safer with everyone together. That was scary, but I learned something important.
What did you learn?
Stay calm, listen carefully, and help each other. Today was more than a trip. We learned how important it is to stay calm and work together.
I loved learning with my family. Me too. Can we have an...
Of course.
Dad, can I get this little rocket?
Sure, Henry, but choose something you can learn from.
Pick something we can build together. Look, Henry, volcano experiment. That sounds much more exciting.
Then this can be your teamwork project.
We should build the volcano tonight. Yes! But we need Dad to help us.
I will help, but you two must do the work. Remember, read the instructions before you begin.
Okay, Dad, we will follow every step. I am ready. Let's make our volcano. Henry, it is bubbling. I think our volcano is waking up.
Step back, everyone. Let it finish safely.
Whoa, it worked. It is bigger than I expected.
That is why we always prepare for an experiment.
Mom, I am sorry about the mess.
That is okay. You can learn from mistakes and clean them up.
Come on, brother. Team cleanup starts now.
Look at you two. You worked together and finished the project.
We made it as a team, and we cleaned up as a team too.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Today I learned that being careful is just as important as being curious.
That is a wonderful lesson, Henry.
And curiosity becomes even better when you share it with others.
That was the family adventure ever! Wait to learn something new tomorrow.
Keep asking questions, keep learning.
Learns and grows together.
Family team forever!